Mwiriwe neza nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, mukomeze kugira umunsi mwiza wo kwibohora. Turabashimira cyane kuba mwaduhaye umwanya muri ibi biganiro by'ingirakamaro. Remarks.
Opening remarks are as simple as just welcoming you all, and whatever thoughts you have on your mind, we can discuss that. For me, it's a very long journey. We have traveled with many all Rwandans, and to an extent with the rest of the world that has been in one form or another connected with our country. For me, at a personal level, it's been a very tough but enjoyable journey, based on the fact that this is the best thing one can do, to be part of the many years of struggle to put things right for our country, for our people, for ourselves, all together. So it's 31 years is not really a long time, but depending on what has been happening in those 31 years, one may decide to see it differently. You may see it as almost something that goes over 100 years. But in other cases, you can be realistic and say it's actually 31, and 31 isn't very